So hi, good morning.
I
Uh, So we are meeting after I think everyone had a long break.
yeah,
Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year.
Yeah. So hope everyone had a good, I mean a safe and a good holiday and a celebration.
Yes.
So so today we are meeting again in our NPI. So as usual, we have not many, but still quite interesting products
Yes.
to be we can share it today.
So for
So
today, only four products.
yeah, only
Yes.
four products. Yeah, but I think we want to talk about some of the uh product that we have talked before. Just want
Uh,
to highlight back now.
Highlight again.
Yep, highlight again. So let me share the window. So like okay, so yeah, I think before we go to the new product, we would like to talk about these are around 2 to 3 product. I mean, I think along the way we will go, have a look on the products. So let me share the screen. Then share screen, share screen. Right. So I think for the first one, we would like to talk about the Edge Box Alpine
Xbox.
Raspberry Pi 200 industrial Edge controller with CM4. Actually, we have talked about this before, and then I think
Yes.
during that time, not sure if the stock was there or not. But
Yeah.
then now,
The stock is not there yet when we
yeah, I
launch
think
this product.
yeah, during the
So,
launching time, the product was not available yet.
mm,
So I think now we restock it back. Now the product is in stock, and we still apply. I mean, since no one was able to grab this with the discount price, so now we have included the NPI discount as well.
yes.
So right, so I think we have talked about this. So you have two variants of this. So one is the 2 GB RAM with 8 GB eMMC. The another one is the 4 GB RAM with 16 GB eMMC.
MMC.
Right. So I think about the details of the product we have
Mm.
talked about it. So I
So
think
this
we
one
will
is
not.
using CM4, not Raspberry
Yeah.
Pi.
Yeah.
CM4.
Yeah. That's need to take note. It's not using the Raspberry Pi. It's using the CM4, not
CM4.
the normal Pi 4. So here are the details of the specification of the products, and yeah, these are the dimension and everything. Industrial, yeah. I think we have talked about this, so we are not gonna go very detailed on this product. Yeah, and then we have
Yeah.
okay, Nello Media. Hi, Nello Media. Morning.
I
Not sure. I think it's night in America now, or maybe
American American Buck.
not sure. So hi, thanks for joining with us this morning. Yep. Okay. So let's move to the next. Okay. The 10%. This product has the 10% discount. So as you can see, if you select here, the actual price for this product is 1,299 ringgit, and with the 10% off, you can grab this for 1,169 ringgit and 10 cents. So we have five in stock, and we have 8 more days, 8.5 days basically
Mm.
before the offer ends. And unfortunately for this one, is not yet available for the 4G, the other variant, 4 GB RAM with 16 GB eMMC. So at the moment we have the 2 GB. So if you
Actually,
are planning to get one, I think this will be a good time since you can get
yeah.
a 10% off for this product, right? And yeah, I think that's about the first product. So let's move to the second product. Okay, these are not the NPI product. Basically, these are for. I mean, we are just re-highlighting back so that the viewers are aware now. So we have stock it and available for you to buy with the discount price. All right. Okay, we have before we proceed, we have comments from Mr. Lim. Morning, morning, Mr. Lim. Thank you for
Morning,
joining with us.
morning.
Kongsi Pachai. Yeah, Kongsi
Si
Pachai.
baca. Sinin
Happy Chinese
Kuala.
New Year. So yeah, I think still everyone still in the holiday mood or I think only next week everyone will be like back to the normal normal work.
Rayakan
I believe
sebulan.
so. So okay, this is the second product. This is the Edge Logic RPI 1000 industrial controller Wi-Fi CM4 8 GB RAM with 32 GB eMMC, right? And yeah, I think Ober morning Ober. So Ober not joining us today. So
Yep.
I think me and Hyril. So morning already. Ober already back in the office
Since last week.
since last week. Okay, so this product also we have talked about this the previous time during the launching time, but I think during that time it was not available. It was we don't have it in stock yet. So now the product is in stock, and since no one was able to enjoy the 10% off, so we are giving the 10% off for this product as well, and it's only one variant now we have, which is the 8 GB RAM with 32 GB eMMC. And as usual, you can always come to the product page here to know more about the product. So these two products are more to industrial. And the first one, which we have seen
Industry
just
grade
now.
lah.
Yeah, more it's an industrial grade. So like if anyone like
Eh,
still waiting for the, still I mean still looking forward for the Raspberry Pi 4, but then you have this alternate option which you can look into it, because these are still reliable with the, I mean they're still the Raspberry Pi product basically. I mean the hardware is basically the Raspberry Pi, the heart of the system. So you like have the performance the performance is not, I mean it's there the performance is there, no need to worry about that. Right, so you can always come to the product page here to know more about the details of the product. Since we have talked about this also, so we are not gonna go very detailed on this as well, right? So okay, since you have a 10% off for this product, so the actual price for this product is 2,519 ringgit and 10 cents. Sorry, the actual price is 2,799 ringgit. My mistake, sorry. 2,799 ringgit, the actual price. And currently we are giving 10% off for this product as well. So you can enjoy this you can buy this product at 2,519 ringgit and 10 cents. So try
300.
to,
Near to 300 discount.
yeah, near to 300 discount. Yeah, quite a huge discount. 300 is quite big. So if you are like into industrial, you have a any plan in the future plan to put it in your industrial application. So this will be a good device. So we have talked about this quite lengthily, I think, on the previous NPI. So this comes with a touch screen, basically.
That's
So
great.
so you have a lot of
Port
ports. Yep,
GPIO.
and yeah, this is it's quite interesting. I mean, it's really like solid. I mean, like it's a very readily for the industry lah.
Advanced,
Yep.
advanced enclosure.
Yeah. Right. So we have 8 more days and 8.5 days. Basically 8.5 days before the offer ends, and also we have two in stock. So basically, if you are looking into it, so this will be a good time to buy since we are giving the 10% off as well. Right. So before we proceed, these members just to say Rochi Peng. Yeah. Hi, Rochi Peng. How
Hi.
happy Chinese New Year. Next year do Cytron Ampao. Do Cytron ampau packet giveaway. Oh, sure, sure. So we'll remember that. But empty lah, empty ampau lah. Kena.
Apa?
Only the ampau. Right. So okay, so we have some comments from Ober as well. So yep, it is designed and ready for industry deployment. Of course, the certificate. Oh, the
Mm.
certificate is there. Oh, that's
Yeah.
another important part.
Mhm.
Because usually, based on my previous experience, I think whenever you want to install or bring in new products, they are willing to do, but then at the end of the day, the certification must be there. Either it
Yeah.
is certified or not. So usually they have a lot of international bodies that will do the certification. Basically, like for instance, the offshore. So they do have like few bodies from international that need to certify that this is ready to be used or
Mm.
this is safe to use. Yeah. So that's another
Usually
one.
product from Seed Studio, if you visit their page, they already attach the certificate lah, the
Oh, okay.
CEA, ROS.
Oh, it's good to know that. Oh, because I think most of the industry also they are looking for the certificate. Like for instance,
Mhm.
I mean, our customers also the same, right? I mean, whenever they want the some of from the industry, whenever they want the product, they will ask for the certificate as well.
Mhm.
So this product, just to inform that this is has the certification. So no worries if you wanna I mean install it in the industry application. Right. So let's move to the next product. Okay, this is not a new product also. We have talked about this as well, but just want to let the viewers know that we have this in stock now. So this is the
Set.
official NVIDIA Jetson Nano B01 kit. So we have three options. You have the beginner kit, the basic kit, and also the development kit only. And yeah,
So
you still
for
have
beginner
yeah.
and basic, we have free adapter and SD card reader.
Yes, yes. For the beginner kit and the basic kit. Yes, we have the free. Yep. Deployment kit don't have the free kit. Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have talked about this the product also. I mean in a not the latest last NPI lah. I mean
Mm.
a few episode back we have talked about this also. So these are the summary now. What the each how the each of the kit differentiate. So for the beginner kit, you will get almost all the
Mm.
items whatever listed here. For the basic kit, you'll have the Jetson Nano B01 development kit, the micro SD with the OS, and also the adapter. For the development kit, you only get the Jetson Nano B01 development kit. So actually in the picture below illustrate that lah. So you can always come to the product page and just take note that the item is ready in stock now. So you can always come to our product page and try to grab this while the offer ends. We do
Uh,
still yes, Irene?
yeah, we also give promotion even though this is not a new product, right? But
Yes.
now we give a promotion and free power adapter and SD card reader.
Mhm.
So two promotion free gift and
The discount.
discount price.
Yeah. So okay, for the beginner kit, we are giving 3% off. So the actual price is 1,262 ringgit and 80 cents. So with the 3%, you can grab this for 1,226 ringgit and 80 cents. 1,226, yeah, 80 cents. So we have 8.5 days basically before the offer ends, and we have five more in stock. And for the basic kit, the actual price is 1,007 ringgit, and we're giving 4% off, so you can buy this for 971 ringgit. And we have an 8.5 days also, and 10 more in stock before the offer or the stock lasts. And lastly, for the development kit, we are giving 2% off. So the actual price is 899 ringgit, and with the discount, you can buy this for 880 ringgit. And yeah, we have 10 more in stock and 8.5 days. Actually, this product doesn't have the NPI discount, but still we are
Mhm.
giving the NPI discount. We have not as much as the NPI products, but still there is some discount, I would say, right? Okay, so that's about the Jetson Nano. And right, this is the Mega Fighter S3 IoT kit. I think I didn't want to just share few things about this.
Yeah, actually, we already talked about this kit last MPI live. So just want to highlight again. So for now, the NPI discount already finished, the 25% discount. But now we are giving the fixed discount. Fixed discount is 7%. Uh, so now we have 15 pieces in stock for basic kit, and for the complete kit and the air sensors, it's coming soon. So we target we'll launch the complete kit maybe in 1 to 2 weeks later. So for the component in the IT kit, you can refer to the picture, or you can refer to the packing list section.
Oh, this is the picture.
So this is the complete kit, and the other one is basic kit.
All right. So wait, I think just to okay. So for this also, we are still having the. We already launched last NPI, right, Harry?
Yeah,
I
yeah.
think last NPI we
Lunch.
already launched it, but still we are giving discount for this also. I think you
Mm.
have a
Oh,
11%
11,
off.
11%.
11% off. Yeah, it's quite quite a good discount. So the actual price is 133 ringgit, and with the 11% off, you can buy this for 119 ringgit. So we have 50 in stock actually. So try to grab this. So this is quite a good kit. I mean, if you are planning
Yeah,
to start with
to learn
IoT,
IoT. Yeah. Mm.
yeah, because the Maker Fighter is also one of our newest board.
Mm.
So that's it's quite very it's quite very handy board lah, I would say, for you to develop a simple application or trying to play around with I mean trying to develop a simple IoT application. So it will
So this
be
kit also comes with the online menu guide, so you can always
yeah,
refer to here while learning IoT.
yeah. So, this is
And for
the
this kit, uh, yeah,
this is the
this
link
is
for the
the
manual kit.
yep. And for this IoT kit, we'll be using the V1 platform for the IoT platform
Mm-hmm.
to display the data, to control the actuator. So if you are not familiar with V1, don't worry. We also include in the menu card on how to use the V1.
Mm-hmm.
And
So the
also we
manual
have
has
the
everything.
yeah, and we also have the sample projects for each kit. So for complete kit, we have 10 sample projects, and for basic kit, we have 5 sample projects.
All right. Oh, I think Ober has questions. Industry IoT.
Okay. So I mean, maybe Mr. Ber mentioning about the V1 platform. So
Oh,
the
okay.
V1, actually the V1 is actually another level lah. It's usually being used by industry. But now they Vitro uh, want to try to approach student. So they do some modification on their platform so that
Mm-hmm.
it's become more beginner friendly for students.
I see.
So that's why we come out with this kit. Uh, we collab with Vitrox so that it's easier for user to start learning IT.
Mm-hmm. So I think it's quite easy lah. I mean, for them, since we also have the platform example, right? So it'll be much more easier lah. So because usually, I mean, when they are doing the IoT, usually for students they only think about the blink only. for
Yeah.
IoT, right? I mean that's very common now. But then
Yeah.
they have a lot of other platform now, other than the Bling, the ThinkSpeak. So it's
Yeah,
good to explore the other one.
actually this platform V1 platform is very good. For me, this one is better than Blink. For me,
Okay.
maybe you can
Also
show the dashboard, the
the
picture of
dashboard.
dashboard.
Yeah. Okay, let me open the dashboard.
Yeah, the main image also have the dashboard.
Okay, yeah, yeah. This
So
one.
this is the example of one of the projects.
Hmm.
So we have graph, we have gauge, we have slider for servo, and we, we can also customize the button for servo,
Hmm.
and
So a lot of.
we have email notification to notify the user when the sensor readings reach the threshold.
Mhm. Yeah, I think I mean that's the I mean yeah, simplifying industry IoT for beginners. Right. I think that's the about the Maker Fighter S3 IoT kit. So it's quite a good discount here. So you have 11% off. So try to grab this while the stock and the discount
Yeah,
price
this
are
is a fixed discount, not NPI discount. So
and
if
that
you
discount, yeah.
buy next month, also still have the
Still have.
11% discount.
Yeah, yeah. So try I mean for students I think you can try to grab this because it's quite I mean, the price are reasonable, and also you can try you have time to explore this new platform also. It'll be good rather than using the Blink only. So
Mm.
you have chance to explore a new platform as well. Right. So let's move to the next product. Okay. So this is the NPI product for today. Actually, this is
Cytron
actually
brand.
yeah, it's a Cytron brand. I think first time we are first 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 product of this kind of the power supply, I
Mhm.
would say. So
Yeah.
the product is with me. Just let me share the screen. Okay. Actually, I already opened it up, so I would just show the box first. Then I will show whatever is inside there. So this is how it looks
Oh,
like when you buy the box. Okay, it's a Cytron power supply unit, 5 volt.
so this is the Cytron box also, but
Yeah, Cytron box.
for this product only. Yeah.
Yeah, for this product. So it's a power supply unit. It's a USB C type, 5 volt, with 3.5 amp.
Yeah.
So the current is quite high, which is very useful
So very
uh
fine.
for Raspberry Pi. Yep. Okay, let me just clear the zoom. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So this is the details of the product,
Yeah.
and okay, so the input is it accept 100 to 240 VAC, 50 to
Mm.
60 hertz, 5 volt with 3.5 ampere output. Is a USB-C, and we have a changeable types. Wait, let me zoom. Let me. I later I will show it the actual one. This one just on the box.
Changeable plug types.
Yeah. So you have the UK type, the US type, and also the EU
EU.
type. Right. So now let's look at the actual product. So this is the actual product. So okay, let me change the zoom a bit. Okay. So this is so it's come nicely with printed
Cytron logo.
Cytron logo, and here is the how you can change the type.
Oh, very unique.
So yes, so you come with the three option. This is
Ah,
the UK type. This is the US type, and this one is the EU type. And fixing it
yeah.
is quite easy. Just you have a small like button here. You can see here. You can press it here,
Mhm.
and to install it, just put it here. There's a like a guide here, so you can see here. like a guide
Mm-hmm.
here. Just put it here, and then
And
just then
rotate.
you'll hear the snap sound. And to
Ah,
remove it also is easy. Just press it here. Just turn it. It'll come up.
oh,
And
very
there's an
easy.
indication here also. As you can see
Yeah,
here,
yeah, yeah.
this is to unlock. If you are turning it anti-clockwise, is to unlock, and if you are turning it clockwise, you're locking it. So this is quite good because it's very easy. I mean,
Mm-hmm.
some place you don't have the 3 pin, you only have the like 2 pin, the US type access. So
Yep.
it's quite good. So just to show you to install the other one, just make sure you're aligned here, and then just turn it. You'll hear the snap
Mm.
sound, then it's locked.
Oh, nice.
And the cable is quite length also. It's not too short or
One
too long.
1.5 meter.
Yeah, 1.5 meter. So this is the other side, the N type one is
C.
type C. You can see here.
So type C is for Raspberry Pi 4.
Yeah, Raspberry Pi 4. So that's about the Raspberry Pi power supply. Sorry, Cytron power supply unit. So I think this one can be used with the Raspberry Pi, and also with the, I think Jetson
Same.
using Type C
Yeah.
also, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Wait, Jetson. Not sure.
Type C.
Jetson Type C also.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe not like that. Yeah. Yeah, you can use it with that lah. I mean, basically for anything which needs higher power, usually most of the time you use it for the Raspberry Pi. So this one is quite good. So you have interchangeable pins and everything. Okay, we have some comments here. Oh, nice. What you said,
Nice.
nice. Yeah, it's quite nice. I'm also like when I receive it, the box looks very nice. It's white
Mm-hmm.
color. Then the cable with the interchangeable adapter is quite good.
So premium, premium.
Looks premium. Yeah. Yeah, say. But yeah, it's simple also. Doesn't have like any, just like if you want to change it, just
Mm.
turn it. Just press the button and turn it. You can just change it.
And can be used from anywhere in the world. So
Yeah. Yep. Yep.
other country also can
Other
use it.
countries. Okay. Yep. Because yeah, because usually the Raspberry Pi it comes with the UK plug. If I'm not mistaken, the
Mm-hmm.
original one comes with the UK plug only. So this one is interchangeable. So which is quite good with the rating and also with the interchangeable option.
The spec
It's quite good.
also very good.
Okay, let's see the details here. Do we mention? Yeah,
So yeah, so
this
it's
one can
mentioned the spec, the power
deliver up
and the
to
current.
17.5 watt. So it's quite high. Yeah. So the next time you want, I think, so the next time you want to buy an adapter, then you can have this in your mind
Mm-hmm.
to buy it. Okay, so here are some of more details. I mean, the EU plug type, which country are using it. So be a good reference, right? So here are some of the other details for the product. Yep. So you can always come to the product page to know more about the details and which country. If you're an international customer, so we have listed out which country are using different types. So this will be a good option. But and if you are traveling also, this will be a good option. So you don't need to buy a different adapter. You can just buy this single unit, and you have a option. You can change it which country you're going. You can just change it the adapter.
Can we use this to charge our smartphone? Can, right?
Um, can, but need to be careful because the current is quite high.
Okay.
Right. So we have before we move to the okay. I just want to let's see about the price. The actual price for this product is 48 ringgit, and currently we are giving 20% off for this product. So you can buy this for 38 ringgit and 40 cents. And we have 200 more in stock and 8.5 days before the offer ends. So try to grab this with the offer. So it's quite a nice discount, I would say. So try to grab this while the offer price and the stock lasts. Okay, before we go to the next product, we have some comments here from Roy Chipeng. I think for the product. And Jackie Chai say hi, hi, Jackie Chai. And some comment from my 48-volt power supply for PoE died. Cytron don't have 48-volt, right? Do we have 48-volt? I don't.
Hmm.
You need to check for the 48-volt.
The latest power supply that you launched is, I think there's 30 volt, 30 volt.
48-volt.
Not sure. Need to check. Need to check it.
Yeah, let me check it. So if there's any, I mean, if there's any like demand for the 48, maybe we can
Yeah, can bring it.
can bring it in. Right. Okay, so let's move to the next product for today. Okay, it's a full cover aluminium case for Raspberry Pi 4 Model B.
Oh,
Oh, this one looks
enclosure.
nice, huh? Enclosure. Looks very solid.
Yeah, I have the product with me.
Okay, let me bring your window so that everyone can see. Right.
So this is the box.
Mm-hmm.
So just a simple box.
So even that box
So
also they mention heat sink case, huh?
yeah, it's
Heat
in case because this one it's using passive cooling, not active cooling.
passive
So
cooling.
this one does not have the fan. It use heat dissipation through its case. So this is case.
Maybe slightly. You may just make it a bit. I think like 45 degree. You show it like in the 45, we can see it.
Oh,
Yes. Yeah. Now we can see
okay.
it.
So this is the
Okay.
port,
Okay.
USB port, Ethernet. This is for power audio jack, and at the back is for SD card.
Oh, and so for the
So
cable, huh? There's like
yeah,
one
yeah.
hole for the cable.
For
The cable
the
camera
camera,
connector.
camera, yes, camera
Camera.
cable. So at the top, the design is like this because it want to enlarge the surface area.
Mm.
So it's
Heat surface
it
area.
will have it will have the heat dissipation. So to open this one, just like that. It's apa snap and fit.
Oh, snap fit.
But
Oh, okay.
but this one is using screw. But if you want to combine these two parts, just snap it. But
Okay.
it also provide the screw, and this is the top part where you can put the thermal paste.
Oh, okay.
It also give the thermal paste, one set
Thermal
of
paste.
thermal paste, and Allen key for the screw.
Oh, it's using the
Allen key.
Allen key type. Okay.
Yep. So this where you put the screw for screw
Uh-huh.
at
So
each
so the
edge.
so the casing itself already have the metal for the to connect between the board and the body, right?
Yeah,
It
yeah.
comes. It is pre.
So
It is
this one,
designed. Yes.
so quite good. And also have hole for LED indicator.
Oh, two hole for the LED. Yeah. Oh, okay.
And it's quite what you call
Heavy.
ringan.
Oh, light,
But
light.
the design is very compact.
Very compact.
Premium, hitam itu
Premium.
premium.
I think Ober has
So
some question while we are seeing just the product thing. I mean, Ober, this is the question for Cypher phone. Must it be 48-volt? And you're using it with PoE hat. Or maybe later Cypher can just mention. And we have K-Stan saying hi. Hi.
I
Hi. And so, okay, this one is for the product, Harry. Is it hold by magnet? It's not hold by magnet, right? We need to screw
uh,
it, but to
yeah
put it
yeah yeah
together is like a snap and fit, like you
yeah yeah.
mentioned just now.
If you put it together without screw, it still can attach
Oh, they can hold
together.
together.
But it's still for what you call uh, better put a screw.
Screw. I mean, if you want to put it somewhere, better to screw it and don't let it just put it together. Okay.
This one is aluminium. not
Aluminium.
iron,
Okay.
aluminium.
I always
Yeah,
said I like this enclosure because it
agree.
offers passive cooling maintenance. Yeah. The passive cooling is much more better lah. Yeah. Because
And it
yeah,
also much more quiet, a noise, uh,
less noise.
silence. No, less noise, less
Less
noise.
noise. Because there's no noise from the fan.
Yep.
Okay, so Hairil has mentioned about the product. We have seen the actual product. So in the product page, you can always come here. So like Hairil mentioned, this case is a high quality aluminum alloy. So it's quite sturdy. The product, the case itself is quite sturdy. And if you wanna put it in a very harsh environment or everything, this will be a very good case. And for more detail, you can always come to the product page and see how I mean the details, the dimension, and everything. You can always come here. And the price for this product is 45 ringgit. And currently we are giving 20% off for this product as well. So you can grab this for 36 ringgit. And we have 12 and a half days and 9 more in stock before the stock lasts. And 12 and a half days before the offer ends. So try to grab this. It's quite steady. I know that Raspberry Pi is in. I mean, we don't in demand, but then since this one is in offer, you can grab this one first. Then maybe later when you're able to grab a Raspberry Pi, then you can just install it. Right. So that's the about the full cover aluminum case. Let's move to the next product, which is the. I think I need to zoom in. Okay, which is the AlphaBot 2 AlphaBot kits for Raspberry Pi.
Oh, okay. So
This
this one
one quite
also
interesting.
I have with me. So this is AlphaBot. I think AlphaBot
Yeah.
is quite famous.
Yep.
Great nice next year.
Yeah, that's right. Grab now, use it next year. I think no, not next year now. Maybe you're able to grab it within the soonest time also. It's okay. But yeah, to be safe, you can just buy it because this one won't do any damage. Just keep it. Then
Mhm.
once you have a Raspberry Pi, you can use it. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to talk about the AlphaBot.
So this AlphaBot2 robot kit. So it comes with this box. So this is from Waveshare. So quite
Oh,
sorry. So quite a lot of thing in the box. Let me show one by one. So this is SD card 32 GB SanDisk.
mhm.
This one is SD card reader USB 2.0, 2 terabyte. 2 terabyte support 2 terabyte. So this one is screwdriver and the uh, what you call this one for servo, the handle for servo.
Handle, say handle. Oh, okay.
Yeah. Uh, so this is the servo,
Servo.
two servo. This one is camera, so you can use camera with this robot. Can you see it?
Yeah, we can see the camera. Yes.
And we have set of screws and I think the part of the
For mount the
cupboard.
cap, for mounting
Mm-hmm.
the camera, right? This one.
Yep. Yeah. So this is USB cable, USB cable, micro USB cable. So this is the AlphaBot,
Oh, the base of
AlphaBot,
okay.
uh, and you can use it with the battery. Yeah,
Oh,
this
there's a
slot for
compartment there.
battery.
Oh, okay.
Silau.
But still can see lah. Still can see.
So this one is for GPIO.
Yeah, for the connector, for the connector. I
Connector.
mean, you have another board,
Right.
I think. So it's a connector lah for connecting the base and the top board. Yeah, it's to
So
connect to
this
this
one
board.
is the top part.
Yeah, the top part.
with
Yes.
the GPIO
Yes. Yes. Yes.
GPIO extension. We have the uh, screw.
Header. Header.
Other we have
Wait.
remote
Just. Oh, the remote. Yep.
control
For IR,
for
I think. For the.
and the last one is the adapter. So USB micro.
For I think this one for charging the battery, right?
Yep.
For charging the battery.
Oh, the
Oh,
power
that one also
also can open and change the
change. Ah, I see. Just hold on,
so
eh?
that's all. Okay,
Right. I think
can
last time we carry the normal the AlphaBot2 also, but that one is for the Arduino.
okay.
The one is the
So I
Arduino
need
board.
to highlight also this one is compatible with of course the Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Raspberry 4, Raspberry Pi 3, and Raspberry Pi Zero, Raspberry Pi Zero I
Uh-huh.
think. So you can refer to the product page.
Right. Okay. So I actually just want to show now. This one I bought. Of uh, this one is the normal the first one.
About
This one
one,
just uses the AlphaBot2 also, but this one for
about
Arduino
two
only. And then the one we have now is for the Raspberry Pi.
Raspberry Pi because it has the camera, right? So
Camera.
this is Raspberry Pi.
So this one is quite good the one. I mean if you want to do programming and learn, this one
Yeah,
is quite good
we bring this one because we have a request from customer to use
Ah,
this AlphaBot.
AlphaBot. So these are some of the function So you have the obstacle avoiding, you have the line tracking using the
Tracking,
N20 motor with the rubber wheel. You have a RGB
RGB.
LED. So this one is a AlphaBot 2. Yep. So this one is quite different from the previous one. So it's
Oh,
quite good. The sensor is quite good. And I mean I mean for kids to learn it's very nice I mean the assembly part is quite easy also with the instruction, and also uh there are a lot of programming can be done. Okay, we have some comments from Ober. Ober said 3B, 3B plus, and 4B. Yeah, I think for the compatible, just let's look at okay, I think we do highlight, right? What's
yeah.
compatible? Packing list.
I think the description atas lagi. Ada sini lagi.
Oops, sorry.
Lagi.
Here. So
Okay.
designed to use with Raspberry Pi 3B, B plus, and 4B. Yep. So by the it's not included. So
Ah,
this email is not the Raspberry Pi is not included. Only the it comes with the robot only. You need to buy the Raspberry Pi separately. And we have some comment here. I think then Solin asked about the camera. So I think Ober answered it. So yep, they use the AlphaBot 2 to learn dynamic image processing and OpenCV. I think that then Solin asked about the camera. I think we do mention here. Maybe if you are looking for
yeah. We have the camera.
what is the camera?
I, I can show you the camera. This one camera
Okay, wait, let me.
Raspberry Pi camera B Revolution 2.
Oh, it's in the Raspberry Pi
It's
camera.
come
Okay, okay,
with
okay.
cable also.
Uh huh. Basically, I think I already mentioned about the camera detail. So I think that answer your question then, Celine. Uh, yeah, this one already. Sharman MK Tech. Wah, ada robot sama untuk Arduino ke?
Yang
Ada.
Bausin tunjuk tadi
Ah,
lah.
this for the Arduino.
Ah,
Wait, let me bring my screen and I can show it to you. This one is for Arduino. If you can see at the bottom there. Alamak. Here, here, here. This one using the Arduino board. Can. This one using the Arduino. So it's quite, they compact lah. It's very compact and very nice to use lah. So, by about few years back lah. Right, so that's about the AlphaBot2. So, AlphaBot2 robot kits for Raspberry Pi 3B, B+, and 4B. So you have two variants. So AlphaBot2 kit with batteries and without batteries. So for the with batteries, the actual price is 486 ringgit, and currently we are giving 19% off. So you can grab this for 392 ringgit, and you have 9 in stock and 13 and a half days before the offer ends. Meanwhile, for the AlphaBot 2 kit without batteries, the actual price is 470 ringgit, and we are giving 20% off as well. So you can grab this for 376 ringgit. We have 9 more in stock and 13 and a half days more before the offer ends. So try to grab this uh, robot if you are into, I mean, if you want to learn using this quite compact and really handy robot, I would say. So this will be a good time to capture it.
oh, sorry.
Oops. Terkeluar. Tahu lagi apa, bukan apa, dia bukan trailer, just teaser.
Teaser lah, teaser.
Teaser. Yeah, that one has for Arduino. So boleh try to look in our
Product
Cytron
page.
page lah. So you can have an option on the AlphaBot. Then we have InnoMaker say yeah, OpenCV. Yes, OpenCV. It's quite good. I mean, robot like a line following robot with a camera, you can do a lot of stuff actually.
Mhm.
There's they're using some other camera also, but still, if you're using a camera, you can give a better and more faster in solving the, I mean, in following the line usually. And Roy Chipeng say, wow, tu macam
Macam
hebat.
hebat, memang hebat.
Hebat. Hebat. Right, so let's move to the next product.
Last one.
Yeah, this is the last one. Okay, this one is a NEJE. I think hopefully I'm saying it correct. NEJE 30610 high precision laser engraver.
Engraver.
Yeah, I think we have some time. I think I just play the video. But before that, I need to stop and share the screen. I think because of the sound.
Actually, last MPI already launched a new laser engraver. This one is another version a cheaper version.
A cheaper version, yes.
Yeah, the last one is 1,000, right? So this one is below 1,000.
1,000. Right.
Quite simple lah.
Yeah, quite simple, yes. And quite small also, huh? It's not very big. The size is quite small.
So that's why it's more cheaper. Oh, selfie. Selfie and then print. Engrave.
Quite good also.
The image is very clear.
Yeah, the image is very clear. Then this one comes with the software also, right? They have their own software.
Masih ya. Oh, oh. The email
Nice, huh?
also very clear.
Yeah, clear. Oh, this one the tissue.
Uh, tissue. Oh,
Ah,
tissue.
tissue.
Oh, I thought tissue cannot.
Yeah, because I also think that we burn up, but looks like
Uh-huh.
it can. Maybe the watt is very low lah, not a very high watt lah. Watt.
Oh, very fast. Less than 1 minute.
That's why.
This one can buy and do business.
Yeah, I think they have like different watt lah. This one is before that is a lesser watt. Now is a 20 watt.
I think for different materials.
Material. Yes. Oh, now can cut already.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's why you need to
Oops,
change
finish
to
already.
another module.
Okay. So this one is quite good,
Mm-hmm.
because I think the one we carried now is how much the watt? Oh, the one the NEJE
We can see in the this features
description.
specification.
Okay, just want to be sure. Description. This is
In the
7 watt
oh, 7 watt.
7 watt I mean, maybe we can just
Oh,
confirm
7 watt.
again.
Okay.
I think it's a 7 watt.
Mm-hmm.
Did they mention here composite?
Oh, support 5 format.
What I had it from
The support 5 format very uh,
ah
so you can put JPEG, GIF,
also a lot.
quite a lot.
Usually they use SVG only, but this one quite a lot. Like PDF also is
Mm-hmm.
support. It's quite good. So this is the working area 170 by 170
Okay.
Like it's not that small Still you can do
Mm-hmm.
quite a lot of things
Yep. Optical power.
Yeah, this one shows that like 2.5 watt, but
2.5 watt.
yeah. So here the mention like moderate use area. So the engraving accuracy is 0.075 dot pitch. And the whole machine function test requires only 4 screws to complete the installation. So it's quite easy to assemble also.
Easy to install. Test paper.
Right. So I think okay, the price for the actual price for this product is 935 ringgit, and we have 10% off for this product as well. So you can grab this for 841 ringgit and 50 cents. And definitely this one is much more affordable.
Yep.
Yep, we are just before that we have Roy Peng say laser. Yes, this one is using laser,
Yeah.
and Over said this is affordable. Yeah, yes, this is
Yeah.
very much affordable.
Yeah, I think it's very fast.
Very fast. I mean,
Four
just now,
pieces, I think.
I mean, this one can do quite a lot of things, interesting things. So if you are like, if you are, I mean, for business also, like my Hairil mentioned just now, you want to do engrave business also, you can just try to grab this and try to do some basic engraving. If you're a designer, you have a lot of things to bring it out from your design and put it in a wood or something. This one will be a good option. Right. So I think with this we have come to an end for our NPI session for today. So I think this is the most awaited time by everyone for the giveaway.
Giveaway.
So I think Hairi will do the okay this week NPI giveaway is quite unique from the normal.
Mm-hmm.
Usually we will give a product, basically electronic product,
Yeah.
but this time around
So this
we
one is
are
not
giving
an
away a book.
yeah, it's not electronic products. But even though the book is related to electronic,
Electronic,
so this
yeah.
is microbit books.
The thing.
So
Oh,
it's
I need to change the screen.
it's quite thick.
Yeah, it's quite
So
thick.
this is
Yep.
the books, Tinkerer's Guide. So the book is quite interesting,
Oh, it's
color
color,
one.
huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
So very it's not boring lah to learn
so then
using
yeah,
this
yeah.
book. And the price also is quite expensive. So this one is 79 I think 79.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so today we're giving is it as price.
Right. So I think Hairil
So
will do the
we'll
honor.
choose two winner.
Two
I
winners,
have
yeah.
two books with me. So let's start.
Okay. Okay, Stan. Yeah.
So for
Thank you,
today,
Kiristan.
it's not so many like last NPI, only 16 but we only choose two.
Two.
So for the first winner, it's me Liao lah.
Kylink
Oh,
FB.
Kylie.
Kailing. Actually, Kailing, this is the first
No,
time,
no,
huh?
Kylie pernah menang.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Oh, is Kailing here?
Me, yeah.
Yeah, congrats.
Congrats.
So,
So we have the first winner here,
this winner, yeah.
Kylie.
Yeah.
Congrats.
Yeah.
Uh,
Some
it's
oh,
two winner
only.
actually.
Two
Yeah,
winner.
yeah, you still got chance. Don't worry.
This Saifulko said internet not good. Yeah, but yeah, we can do. Hopefully everyone have luck to win
Okay,
today.
so the next winner, the last winner,
Oh,
Sinapapaizara
baru
Saifulko.
IG.
baru komen je.
Baru je kau main cakap internet slow. Oh,
So the second
congrats.
winner is Sheena pakai sarung from
Uh,
IG. So I think
Saifulko lah, Saifulko actually.
yeah, is Saiful Ko.
Yeah, congrats.
Sheena pakai sarung here.
Just make sure to contact our genies.
Hmm.
Provide the details. As usual, I mean, this is just a request. I mean, if you can just post the
Hmm.
in a Instagram or Facebook once you have received
Tag
the
us, mention us
giveaway, you can tag us. Yeah,
so that we can repost.
repost. Yeah. So I mean, this is we are asking a favor lah from you. I mean, just to show that. I mean, just to highlight lah. So we are giving the
Hmm.
giveaway. So we would appreciate if you can do that.
Yep.
Right. So congratulations to the winners for today, and thank you for all to joining us today with the NPI. Even though we don't have much product, but still, you guys were here to listen to us for the last 1 hour. So thank you, and we shall meet again in 2 weeks' time from
Yep.
now with more interesting products. Okay, right. I think that's all for today. Thank you and bye.
Right. Safe. Okay, safe.